We got you guys a 2021 Ram Black Edition or Nightshade Edition 5.7 liter HEMI. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys, got stock converters there, still got less than 1,000 miles on it. Then it comes 3.5-inch pipe all the way back. Then we added 3-inch pipe instead of the muffler, which is right there. We cut that bad boy off. Then it's dualed out 2 1/4 all the way back. Then it's got 2 resonators, one here, and then it's got the black 4-inch tips. The door is closed because it's cold here. But there it is. That's how you do it. So you want to put 3-inch pipe in its place, right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. You need more than that. There's the sound decibels. Go ahead again. I like it. There's sound decibels on it. So right at peak it reaches 100. That's not bad at all, actually. That's the muffler right there. You see it over there. Do you want to keep it or not? We throw them away usually. No, we just toss them anyway. So if he wants it louder, he's gonna bring it back. I told him drive it for a couple of weeks and leave the resonators on and see how he likes it. And this one is not the E-Torque, this is the regular 5.7 HEMI. So that's probably why it sounds so good. That E-Torque probably makes it sound different. We'll do an E-Torque next and we'll go from there. Hope you guys like it. It's 2021 with a muffler delete. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Night edition. Really nice truck. Ram. Like it.